Andrew and I were back in the lab focusing on just elongating his phases and being more patient. A lot of times athletes will get stronger, hit faster, and then bring stronger and faster into the actual jump itself. The problem with that is when you're stronger, you typically jump higher. And also when you're faster, you're running obviously faster. When you combine those two, jumping higher and faster, you don't have the time to make a big jump happen. Why is this? Because bigger jumps simply take more time. It takes more time to go between phases. It takes more time for you to be in the air, and so on and so on. So in his situation, we're going to be focusing on finding patience and speed, okay? So he's doing I believe it's a 50-foot board. It's like he fouled. Either way, he's back pretty far behind that board, okay, 40-something feet. It takes off. Drop leg is okay. It's about 7 feet. I want it closer to 9. We've been working on that as well. But you can see now what's happening here. He's pulling that jump leg through, gets the leg out to bounding, and he's really just aggressive with covering ground each time. He's opening up, pulling and pawing the ground, which I'll make a video on YouTube covering the concept. But the sweep here, and he's really opening his leg out to paw the ground to get to his jump, and he's able to really get way more distance in his jump. So let's play it at regular speed. And you can tell he had a good feeling in his jump because it's all thumbs up from here.